Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're re-diving into one of the simplest yet most elegant desserts you can find in any Italian cafe. It's that perfect treat when you're craving something sweet, something with a kick of caffeine, and something incredibly easy to prepare. If you've ever wondered how to bring that sophisticated cafe experience right into your own kitchen, you are in the right place. We're going to break it down step by step, showing you just how simple it is to create this delightful dessert with just two main ingredients. It's the ultimate combination of hot and cold, and trust me, once you try it, you'll be making it all the time. So, let's get started and make the perfect café affogato together. First things first, let's talk about our star players. You only need two things: your favorite vanilla ice cream and a shot of freshly brewed espresso. That's it. The beauty of the affogato lies in its simplicity and the quality of its components. For the ice cream, I recommend a good quality vanilla bean, or French vanilla. You want something rich and creamy that can stand up to the heat of the espresso. As for the coffee, a strong, freshly brewed espresso is key. The intense, robust flavor is what balances the sweetness of the ice cream and gives the affogato its signature character. If you don't have an espresso machine, a strongly brewed coffee from a mocha pot, or even a French press can work in a pinch. Just make sure it's hot and concentrated. Now, let's assemble our masterpiece. The first step is to get your serving glass ready. I like to chill my glass in the freezer for about 10 to 15 minutes beforehand. This little trick helps keep the ice cream from melting too quickly, giving you more time to savor every spoonful. Once your glass is nice and frosty, take a generous scoop of your vanilla ice cream and place it right in the center. Don't be shy with the scoop size. You want a good foundation for that delicious espresso. One big, beautiful scoop is usually perfect. With our ice cream ready and waiting, it's time for the magic moment. Brew a fresh, hot shot of espresso. You want to see that beautiful, rich crema on top. That's the sign of a great shot. The timing here is important. You want to pour the espresso over the ice cream almost immediately after it is brewed to get that amazing contrast of temperatures. Ready? Slowly and steadily, pour the hot espresso directly over the top of the ice cream scoop. Watch as it cascades down the sides, creating little pools of coffee and melting the ice cream just slightly. This is what affogato means in Italian drowned. We're literally drowning the ice cream in coffee, and the result is pure bliss. And there you have it, a perfect cafe affogato in just a few simple steps. But wait, we can take it one step further. While it's absolutely delicious on its own, you can add some optional toppings to customize it. A sprinkle of dark chocolate shavings adds a lovely bitterness that complements the coffee. Crushed biscotti or amaretti cookies give it a wonderful crunch. And for those with a serious sweet tooth, a little drizzle of caramel or chocolate sauce is never a bad idea. Now, all that's left to do is enjoy it. Grab a spoon and dig in right away. You get the warm, intense coffee, the cold, sweet creaminess of the ice cream, and that delightful soupy mixture at the bottom of the glass. It's a dessert, a coffee break, and a little moment of indulgence all in one. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you give this incredibly simple recipe a try. If you do, let me know in the comments what toppings you used. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes. See you next time.